Hello everyone, in this video see how to make a mobile stand. It is very simple. You can also make it at home. Other stand are very simple and costless. First cut their piece of metal to make the stand. Connect this. There are four lessons with one mistake. Tape them together neatly so that the iron tracks don't clash. Take the other wire and cut it well with a cutter. It's very simple. Take another wire and tightly it tight. You can also make other stands at home. It is very simple. You can make other stands at home with zero effort. How can you make this video at home? Please comment and let me know how you like this video. If you are like the video, please subscribe and like. May God bless you and protect you. You too can make a mobile stand at home at a low cost. See how to make a mobile stand at home with zero cost. It's very simple. God bless you all.